Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your coffee grinder. First, ensure your grinder is empty of beans before making any adjustments. Locate the adjustment collar or dial, which typically has numbers or indicators for grind size. Begin by setting your grinder to a medium grind. This provides a good baseline for most brewing methods and allows for easier fine-tuning later. Remember, small adjustments are key to finding the perfect grind. The ideal grind size depends heavily on your brewing method. For espresso, you'll want a very fine, almost powdery grind, similar to flour. Drip coffee makers perform best with a medium grind, resembling table salt or sand. If you're using a French press, aim for a coarse grind, like coarse sea salt or breadcrumbs. Matching the grind to your brew method is crucial for optimal flavor extraction. After brewing, taste your coffee to assess the extraction. If your coffee tastes bitter or overly strong, it's likely overextracted, meaning your grind is too fine. Adjust your grinder to a coarser setting. Conversely, if your coffee tastes sour, weak, or watery, it's underextracted and your grind is too coarse. In this case, adjust to a finer setting. Repeat this process until you achieve your desired flavor. Regular cleaning is essential for maintaining your grinder's performance and ensuring consistent grind quality. Burrs can accumulate oils and old coffee particles, affecting flavor. For the best results, consider a burr grinder over a blade grinder, as burrs provide a much more uniform grind. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more. Keep experimenting to find your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.